Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a calendar side by side in Notion in just a few simple steps. Type /calendar to bring up the blocks menu, which shows a list of database views you can insert including table, board, timeline, and calendar options. Click Calendar View to insert a new calendar database onto your page. The calendar appears in Month View with a grid of days and a New button at the top right. Click the calendar title at the top to select it. Then type /calendar again below it to open the blocks menu a second time. Click Calendar View once more to add a second calendar database. You'll now see two separate calendars on your page, each with its own month grid. Click away from the menu to close it and you'll see both calendars stacked vertically on the page, one directly below the other. Click the 6-dot drag handle on the left edge of the second calendar and drag it to the right until a vertical blue line appears alongside the first calendar, showing where it will snap into place. Drop it there to create a two-column layout with both calendars side by side. The page automatically adjusts to fit them next to each other. Click the New button in either calendar to add an entry, and you'll see the Event Creation dialog open with fields for the event title and date. You can adjust the width of each column by hovering over the divider line between them until you see a resize handle, then dragging it left or right. If you want to stack them vertically again, just drag one calendar's handle back to the left edge until the blue line disappears. Each calendar is its own database, so they can track completely different types of events with their own properties and filters. You can also drag other block types like text, to-do lists, or tables into the same column layout. And that's how to put a calendar side by side in Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.